Hello everyone, you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today is 11th day of my English speaking challenge. As you know, these days I'm creating solo videos to improve my solo content creation skill. I'm working really hard. Every day I compel myself to sit in front of camera or to speak on a small topic. Even though I'm not speaking for 10, 15, or 20 minutes, I speak only for 3, 4, 5, or 10 minutes, but I am trying to be consistent. Okay? So today I'm going to talk about importance of consistency. Consistency, what does it mean? Consistency means regularity, doing something every single day, trying to make yourself regular with something, or 3 days a week, 4 days a week, whatever the schedule you have to stick to it. So, consistency is so important to train your brain, to train your mind to become better at something. I'm able to speak English. Why? Because I have been consistent throughout my journey. I speak every single day. Either I conduct sessions for my students or I talk to people in English or I consume content. I watch something in English. That is very important for you as well. If you want to speak English confidently, there is no shortcut. It is only patience and consistency. You have to be patient enough to see good results with your fluency and confidence. And you have to do it every single day. Take out time from your schedule or a busy or hectic schedule, but do practice every day. Maybe it can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or it can be 1 hour as well. It's up to you. How much time do you get for your speaking practice? But for me, I started my spoken English journey in 2020 and I have been practicing since 2020 till now. I want to improve my English every single day. I'm comfortable creating conversations, but now I have given this challenge to myself so I can improve my solo content creation skill. I can speak confidently on camera, which is not an easy task. It seems to be easy for other people that it's completely fine just sitting on in front of camera, sitting on chair and just speaking for 3 or 4 minutes is not at all a difficult task. It looks easy, it looks easier and always said than done. So that's why I will say take a challenge, start speaking every single day on camera. Or if you want to improve your English, you have partners, you have friends online, speak English with them every single day. That is only going to help you to improve your spoken English. If you are not consistent throughout your journey, you are going to lack confidence. There would be a lot of difficulties. Suppose you practiced for 1 month and then you didn't practice for 2 months, and again you are practicing in the fourth month, you wouldn't be confident to speak, to present yourself, to express your thoughts. So it is very important for you to be consistent as much as you can. It's okay if you're not able to make it 100% consistency. At least do it for 80%, 85%, 90%. Suppose there are 30 days and few days are there when it is difficult to get time of your schedule because you are busy in some important things. It's okay to skip for 1 or 2 days, but you shouldn't miss like 15 days, 10 days, or 20 days in a month. No, it's not at all recommended. Practice at least for 25 days in a month, 28 days in a month. That will help you to become a powerful speaker. Observe wonderful speakers, observe public speakers and communicators, and learn from them and execute all those things which they are recommended us to do it. and then speak every day. That will make you a powerful speaker. So, okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Many, many thanks to you guys for your support and keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care.